How a slow eating habit help to burn your calories fast, to lose weight with no diet, no exercise. Lots of people take their food fast and not carefully. Many nutritionists and dietitians say that meal plans are an important thing in weight loss, but if you don't care and habit like slow eating, you will be punished by food. Maybe you are thinking now, does it work? The answer is yes, it works, said Ramdas. If you do it properly, you get results. He lost 7 pounds in 5 days by making a slow eating habit. Check out the scientific evidence in my blog that how eating slowly works to lose weight in the link in the description. So in this video, you will learn how eating slowly works and what are the benefits. Research shows that quick eaters get heavyweight over time than people who eat slowly. Gut hormones that feel you full when you eat slowly and also balance calorie intake. Chew food thoroughly, that slow eating pace and reduce calorie intake to lose weight. Good cause to eat more slowly, including rising pleasure of food, better digestion, excellent absorb nutrients, feeling calm and control, not increase stress level. Slow eating habits will easier and lasting with practice and proven techniques. For example, to avoid severe hungry feeling, take healthy snacks. Chew many times, count, then double it. Don't put the fork in your mouth between bites. Practice slow eating habit with timer for 20 minutes, don't finish before. Avoid television and smartphone to keep your focus on your meal. Keep practicing for 2 months if you want it for long-term habit. Did you try these techniques like Ramdas? Then what's your result? Let us know by leaving a comment. And check out all the scientific evidence in my blog from the link in description. If you learned something new from this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel.